so today's the day we're going to get Pearl back together here and hopefully fire it up. We've got some new head gaskets going to pop on there, a bunch of other stuff. Garrett is here, and he is going to throw his mastery at this fine machine and see if we can get her back together. So it's your turn today, Pearl. Let's rock and roll. Definitely. So yeah, I step in the office for a few minutes to take a phone call, and I come back and Garrett's already got the heads on here, and so we're getting close, I think. Oh, awesome. So while Garrett's under the hood here wrenching away, I'm going to start cleaning the other side of Pearl, see if we can get her to shine. Shiny, shiny, shiny. Pearl is looking good. Got some chrome polished up. Got the driver's side all kind of buffed up. Not perfect, but definitely good for a first pass. Got the heads on the engine in here. Gonna grab some oil and radiator hoses tonight and put all that stuff on there tomorrow, and hopefully fire it on up. All right, so it is a new day and we are back at it. Pearl's still looking shiny. Garrett is knocking out the torquing of the heads and dialing in the numbers here, doing it 10 pounds at a time, I think. Yep. Up until about 70, I think is what it called for, or 75, yeah. Something like that. So anyway, once those babies are cranked down, we can hook everything else up and splash a little gas in there and give her a crank. Alrighty, things are all together, well, except for one spark plug. But I'm gonna splash a little gas in it and see if she fires. Ignition on. There's spark? Yeah. Okay. Well, let's throw a little starting fluid in there and just kind of zap at it, and we'll see if we can get something, anything. Not a thing. What you got, Fred?
That's positive. Okay, number 3 has spark.
Okay.
That one's getting on somewhere. It went tink tink. Okay.
All right, ready?
Yeah. Okay. Number 7 is spark.
All right, so they're all getting spark. We just need to get some fuel down in there. Here, let me try it again. And I can see if the battery's low that it's just not cranking fast enough.
Yeah.
Gave it a shot. Definitely got pearl polished up. Significantly better than it was before. Still have some more to do, of course. It's a big old car. It's going to take a lot of detailing to get it right. Got the heads back on it. Got the new hoses and stuff in there. We've cranked it over. Seems like it's getting spark. Seems like it's got compression. Seems like it's getting gas. I don't see how it couldn't be. But the battery is a little low and it's just not cranking it over fast enough. So I've got the charger on it over here. Let it go. Plus we busted a spark plug. And so we've got to get some new plugs in there. So I've got those ordered. I'll pick those up tonight. Okay, it's dark. I just got back from the auto parts store. I have stuck in the missing spark plug. And I'm going to splash a little gas in there. The battery's been charging now for about 3 hours or so. There you go. A little bit of gas. Let's pray. And hope it goes. All right. It's alive. Alive. Heck yeah. Totally stoked today with our progress. Okay, it's been the past couple days, but Pearl has now breathed a sigh of relief here. She has roared to life after so many years of sitting. Since 1979, I believe it is, this car has been dormant, and now it is alive. Still need to hook up a fuel system, need to deal with brakes. There's a long way to go before Pearl is back on the road, but after that engine being as stuck as it was, to hear it fire up tonight, I could not be more thrilled. I do want to thank Garrett for his hard work on getting Pearl up and running. I also want to invite you guys to check out his YouTube channel. He's just getting started with his own channel, with his own projects and occasional trips over here as well. Look up Ranchin' Hot Rods on YouTube and please give him a follow. He's a super cool dude. Anyway, keep on digging them up and driving them, folks. I hope you enjoyed the updates here. Keep on following along to see these beauties hit the road. Bye-bye.